Shalom, Chaverim. It's Rubissa. I hope you are as excited as I am about Challah for Shabbat. And I have a story to share with you about the joy of Challah. So, let's get started. Rise and shine, a Challah-Day tale. Sammy and Sophie were spending the day up in the attic, a fun place to play. As Sophie tried on an old apron, she found a crumpled up paper that fell to the ground. What are those letters? Hey, what does it say? Sophie tried turning it every which way. It looked like a language from long, long ago. Let's show it to Nona. I'm sure that she'll know. Sweet Nona and her sister, Aunt Jenny, lived at Kleingalen home with great Uncle Benny and a crusty old fella called Grumpy Old Ned, who would never ever smile. He just grumbles instead. Where is our Nona? They asked at the door. It's exercise day, so she's on the 3rd floor. Nona and Jenny were bending and stretching. Benny was clapping. Old Ned was kvetching. That's Yiddish for complaining. Nona, here's a mystery. Please take a look. We've never seen writing like this in a book. Oh, this writing? It's Ladino, and this is my guess. It's an old recipe written by my Nona Bess. The group gathered round and agreed that they could read the old Ladino and soon understood the directions, and clutching the paper, they ran into the kitchen to find a big pan. Nona's glasses were perched on her nose. She opened the cupboards and carefully chose. Flour, my darlings, just fill this bowl up. Put in some water. It needs a full cup. Benny was watching and quick to advise. Yeast goes in next. It'll make this thing rise. Eggs and then oil were checked off the list. They reread the recipe. Nothing was missed. Punch it and knead it, said Grumpy Old Ned. Then roll it and braid it. It's challah, it's bread. Everyone braided with 3 strands or 4. Sophie and Sammy tried braiding with more. Brush on the glaze, because this challah needs a finishing sprinkle of sesame seeds. Cleaning the kitchen, they'd made it crumb-free. The challah was baking while Nona made tea. Just for Shabbat, we made challah so fine, perfect with candles and grape juice or wine. Even old Ned broke out in a grin. A bubble of laughter burst out from within. Come back next week to make more bread, he pleaded. Your holiday visit was just what I needed. The end. At the end of this book, you can see there's a recipe for making challah in the bread machine. But maybe you got the recipe from me to make challah in your Ziploc bag. And I would love to see what your challah in a bag looks like. All right, shalom, friends. Shabbat shalom and regular shalom. I look forward to seeing you.